everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Melody Susie nail dust collector. Melody Susie had sent this to me for review and I thank them so much because I really do love their products. So thank you so much for sending this to me. So here is your user manual. If you have any questions or any concerns about the operation of the product, how to maintain it, how to care for it, things like that. And here we have the dust collector. It is very lightweight, very sleek. I really like how it feels. I love how it has the adjustable suction based on your preference. It's easy operation with just a touch. It has the little rubber feet on the end to prevent it from sliding off your desk. I really like the whole aesthetic about it, and it's just so easy and so user-friendly and terrific for beginners. So as you can see, it does have a magnetic cover. It has a reusable filter. And again, with the touch, the low suction, strong suction, the on and off switch is in the front, as I showed. And then we're going to plug the adapter in at this point, and I am going to start the nail dust collector so you can hear the fan. So my thoughts on this little gem are wow. Like seriously, if you're looking for high quality but affordability, this is your dust collector, because I was so impressed, and I do have a Valentino, which was a pretty penny, and although that works great too, I just like how convenient this one is. It's so much lighter and the suction is just as good. I also am very impressed with the filter. It's very easy to clean. You can tap it when you're done or use a blow dryer. You never want to wash it though. Don't put it underwater. And it lasts about 3 to 4 months. So I highly recommend this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use my coupon code to save a little money, and I'll see you in my next video.